Welcome back, everyone. Let's go ahead and get ready for our rowing stroke rate progression workout. This is going to be a cardio workout where we're going to be focusing more on your stroke rate. So let's start with our basic warm-up. We're going to do 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and start with an arms only stroke. So nice and easy. Knees are slightly flexed. We're just working on getting our arms warmed up for this one. So nice and smooth strokes. Don't worry about pulling too hard or too fast. We just want to get the upper body warmed up for hard stroking that's coming. So we're going to focus on power strokes for this workout. We're going to be starting at a 20 stroke per minute rate, and then we're going to progress by adding 5 strokes per minute in sequence for 4 minutes total. We're going to be doing 1 minute at each stroke rate. So let's go ahead and continue. Nice and smooth strokes with the upper body. For our next minute, we're going to be working on adding our drive in our legs and a little bit more core activation with a slight finish by using our core and our legs for this next minute. So let's go ahead and get started. Legs and core, just nice and easy. Good drive. Working on that lean back, engaging our core. Arms nice and straight. Getting those legs warmed up. Focus on your breathing. Good posture position. Going for a minute with this one. For about 30 more seconds, and then we're going to add some full strokes. So again, we're going to start at around 20 strokes per minute for our first set, and then we're going to go up 5 strokes per minute in sequence until we get to 35 strokes per minute. A few more seconds, we're going to do our last warm-up minute. We're going to do some full strokes. So nice and smooth. Here we go, full strokes. Nice slow pace. Really focusing on your form, good posture. Putting all those sequences together in the rowing stroke. Getting ready for our first set. So, if you haven't been used to tracking your stroke rate during your workouts, this is a great workout to help you focus on what 20 strokes per minute, 25 strokes per minute, 30 strokes per minute, and 35 strokes per minute will look like and feel like. If you have a monitor that can track your stroke rate, great. If not, just follow my lead and you'll be matching those stroke rates perfectly. So let's get ready for our first minute. Want maximum power in your strokes. We're gonna go 20 strokes per minute. Here we go. Nice and smooth, power strokes. Breathe in, out. Strong drive, strong finish. Nice and smooth, holding that 20 strokes per minute rate. Great job. So the goal for this workout also is to keep your power up. So we want to continue to have the same effort in our drive and our finish, but we're going to be increasing the stroke rate. Five seconds. We're going to crank it up to 25 strokes per minute. Here we go. 25. Pick up the pace, good form, good posture, strong drive, strong finish. Keep up, let's go. Almost there. We're gonna crank it up again. 30 strokes per minute. In 10 seconds. Here we go. 30. Nice and smooth. Keep up, let's go. A little quicker on the recovery. Get into that catch position. For this last interval, we're going to be going up to 35 strokes per minute. So get ready. Going to be cranking it up one more time. After this last minute, we've got 1 minute of recovery. All right, here we go. 2, 1, and crank it up. Come on, stay with me. Keep that power up. Halfway there. "15 seconds. Keep going. Push through. Got some rest after this. Four, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Great job. Let's take a minute. Keep driving those strokes. Take your time. Catch your breath if you need to. Get a drink of water. Towel off. We're going to go through that progression one more time. So 20 strokes per minute, increasing 5 strokes per minute for 4 rounds. We got about 30 seconds left. Catch your breath. If you're struggling through with that last round, while we're at 30 strokes per minute or higher, feel free to take a little bit off in terms of your power. Try to focus on holding that form and having a little bit quicker recovery into that catch position. All right, let's get ready. Back to 20 strokes per minute. Here we go. Nice and smooth. Kicking up our power, getting back into rhythm. Keep breathing. All right, almost there. We're going round 2. 25 strokes per minute. Three, 2, 1. All right, kick it up. Keep breathing. Keep those legs moving. Good finish. Strong pull. About 30 seconds left, and then we're going to kick it up into our 30 stroke per minute rate. You guys are doing great. 2 more minutes of hard work coming up, and then we'll cool down. You got this. 3, 2, 1. All right, 30. Let's go. Crank it up. Stay with me. Drive, finish. Drive, finish. Almost halfway there. Get your body ready. Go max effort for this last minute. Treat it like an all-out sprint. 35 strokes per minute. Last minute, hard work for the workout. Get ready. Three, 2, 1, let's go. 35 strokes per minute, last set. Keep it up. Stay on me. Come on. Stroke it out. Guys are almost there. "30 seconds left. Let's go. Finish it up. Got a 2-minute cool down after this. "15 seconds left. Keep up that pace. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. All right. Woo. Recover. Keep moving. Nice smooth strokes. Nice and easy. Catch your breath. Let that heart rate come down. Woo. Great work. It's real important to get comfortable with a nice stroke rate. So other workouts you may see may hold you at 25 strokes per minute, 30 strokes per minute. So you want to make sure that you get nice and comfortable in those different stroke rates. Because as you get through different workouts, it might require you to transition between stroke rates, really focus on your power at a specific stroke rate. So use this workout as a way to get more comfortable transitioning between stroke rates. If you need a little longer workout, go ahead and repeat this interval 1 or 2 more times. You can always do this one on multiple days. Either way, it's good practice, good cardio, good calorie burn, developing muscles throughout your body. All right, slow down. Keep breathing. Refocus on that positioning, that rolling stroke form. All right, last time. Woo. Excellent job. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure you come back next time for more rowing workouts, or join me again for this one. Keep it up.